There's various ways to display summarized statistical data. In this particular case, we use a frequency distribution and a percent distribution to show that firearms are the most frequent weapon in homicides, followed by knives. In this frequency distribution and pie chart, what we're trying to illustrate is the frequency or percent of people that favor the death penalty for convicted murderers. And as this shows here, most people favor the death penalty. That's indicated by the largest frequency distribution or the biggest piece of the pie graph. This bar chart and pie chart indicates clearly the most common time for violent crimes occurs between 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. That's shown in the bar chart with the longest bar and shown in the pie chart by the biggest piece of the pie. These three pie charts reveal the relationship between homicide, circumstances, victim-offender relationship, and the weapon use. And they clearly indicate that the typical homicide involves arguments, that the typical victim-offender relationship, most common one, is acquaintance, and the typical weapon is a firearm. A line graph is a visual representation of data points over time. And in this particular line graph, we can see a homicide victimization from 1950 to 2005, and it indicates the ebb and flow of homicides over this time period. Visual methods are often preferred over numerical methods for displaying data. In this particular example here, the number of drug arrests is conveyed in figure 4 as a bar chart, and in table 1 as a series of numbers. Most people would prefer the visual bar charts because a picture is worth 1,000 words and it easily displays the same pattern as the numbers.